Okay, today we'll see support vector machine. Support vector machine is very widely used for the classification problem. Okay, classifier. It is a well-known classifier. Okay, it can be used for regression also, but most widely it is used the for the classification problem, like pattern recognition, bioinformatics, particle identifications. In this, support vector machine can be used. What is support vector machine? See, support vector machine is basically it is an algorithm which find an optimal hyperplane between the positive and negative classes. Okay, so let's see. So as you have seen, see if this is the two classes there are like okay, this is class 1 data. Okay, now suppose this is minus representing the some other class. Okay, so this is two dimensional data space. So how we can create a plane? Okay, how to classify these two classes? See, for that we can draw a line here. Okay, like this. Also, see, if you see, we can draw a line here also. This also is separating these two classes. Also, we can draw a line something like this. Also, we can draw a line something like this. Also, we can draw some line something like this. So, finally, which line is the best for this classification? How we will decide? So for this, we'll use the support vector machine algorithm to decide which line is the best fit for this classification or this type of data set classification, like right. So see here, this solid circle represent one class and this circle represent a second class. So so this line equation is considered as Wx plus b equal to 0. So what is actually W and X? See, this is your class. This is okay. You just think this is the class 1 type. Some data points of class 1 and some data points of class 2 is some in this side. Okay. So it is a technique to finding out the wider. See, suppose this is a line drawn in a medium, and this line, one more line is drawn like this, touching the first class samples, and this is the second line. So how much wider this can be done, this distance? This is the technique. Means जितना wider होगा उतना अच्छे से हम we can classify this distance. So sometimes it is also called wider straight approach. Okay, wider straight approach. So So basically, this is W is weight considered. X is a class. X is class. So if Wx plus b equal to 0, this is straight line it represent. And if Wx plus b is greater than 0, this will represent this class Wx plus b. This is some equations, okay. And Wx plus b is less than 0, then this will classify this data. This is a linear classification like your linear regression, you can say here, okay. So how you classify the data? See, as I earlier told, which line is the better to draw? Okay, so this line or this. There are many possibilities to draw the lines. Okay, so which line is the your choice? So misclassification. If you are drawing this line, so there is a misclassification. Okay, so define the margin of a linear classifier as the width that the boundary could be increased by before hitting a data point. Support vector are those data points that margin pushes up against. So this is the mathematical equation, like x plus is the x plus means this there are some sample taken from the plus classes, x minus is the sample taken from the minus classes. So w, this is the dot product, w dot x plus b is equal to 1. This represent the plus class, yeah, plus 1 zone, and this is wx plus b equal to minus 1. This will represent the negative class. So this straight distance we can find this maximum margin after calculating and simplifying this equation. Actually this is a dot product and there is some mathematical equations. After simplifying we'll find that this maximum margin width m, this is your m, this maximum margin width, this length will be equal to something 2 upon mod of w. Okay, so this is soft margin classification. There are two types of classification: soft margin and hard margin. So soft margin, so okay.